Well, good afternoon, Finn Tucker. Thank you for joining me for this interview. Okay. First question, where do you go to school?
College?
Sorry, we can't hear you out there. You have to talk much louder.
Varsity College?
Still can't hear you out there, a bit louder.
Varsity College?
Oh, no need to scream. And what grade are you in?
Why?
Grade 1. I'd like to ask you a couple of questions about removing animals from their natural habitat. Is that something we should do?
No.
Why not?
Because that would kind of like
Nice and
die.
loud.
That would die.
They would die, you say? So anyone who removes animals from their natural habitat's doing the wrong thing, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Like Mama.
Like who?
Mommy.
Can't hear you. You've got to talk nice and loud.
Like Mommy.
Oh, okay. All right. Tell me a little bit about your favourite animal.
A monkey because it's kind of like climb and like it kind of needs bananas like me and like swings like me.
So you like an animal that's a bit like you, is that right?
Yeah, like me.
That's interesting. Well, one final question. If you were to tell people something that was a good thing to do in terms of looking after animals, what would that be? What would be a good practice for looking after animals? What's an example of making sure we're taking care of our animal?
Giving them water.
What's that? Nice and loud?
Giving them water, giving them food, giving them sleep.
Nice place to sleep. And would that mean keeping them in their natural habitat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We'll say goodbye to the viewers. Bye-bye, viewers.
Bye bye.